So that was very valuable experience. We learned a lot about the equipment, about the processes, about the startup. So that was very valuable experience. We learned a lot about the equipment, about the processes, about the startup.
Your clients and also they are professional. It needs to have more detailed technical information to be presented to them.
Thank you for your explanation. Thank you for your hospitality.